Assalamu alaikum lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great wherever you are watching me. My name is Sue. So beautiful people, today I'm going to be making 100% organic carrot oil that can be used for your skin, for your hair, and for cooking. So I hope you like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, okay? And if you are new here, welcome to the family. I have here some carrots, okay, a big size and a medium size, okay. Carrot contains a lot of minerals and vitamins that is good for the skin and for consumption, okay. So what I'm going to do now is to grate the carrot. So this is what I'm using, all right. So whichever machine you have that will make it easy for you to grate, you can use, okay, but don't blend, all right. Yeah. So guys, just look at that. Okay, nicely and finely blended. So the next thing I'll be using is an empty bottle. So I'll just transfer the grated carrot into the bottle. All right. Okay. So I'll just set this aside, and then the next ingredient is my coconut oil. This is 100% organic and descented. All right. So coconut oil is a